Adobe Illustrator Image Trace. In this video, we're going to be talking about Illustrator and how you can go ahead and do an auto image trace in it in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you want to trace any image in Adobe Illustrator, what you're going to want to do is, let's say I have this image, right? Now, to auto trace it, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Object. And once you go over to Object, you're going to click on Image Trace. And what you're going to do from there is you're pretty much going to go ahead and advance it. So, first of all, obviously, we're going to go ahead and select it for ourselves. So, to select the image, what you're going to want to do is basically, I'm going to go ahead and align this into the center. And once this is aligned, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to go ahead and select it. Let me take the image over here to the right hand side. Now to select it, you can choose whatever tool you want. Let's say I'm going to add a rectangle tool. You can choose that to select it, or what you can moreover do is I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And once we go ahead and remove that, you can add the direct selection tool for yourself. And once we choose this, simply go ahead. Now, after fully aligning it and selecting it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the image and it's going to say image trace. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on image trace and it says tracing may proceed slowly with this larger image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And no matter how many minutes it takes, it will perfectly go ahead and trace your image. And obviously, according to that, it I can pretty much go ahead and wait. So basically, once your image is properly traced, what you can do to actually check it out is you can go over to layers and to see if it's properly traced, what you can do is you can either change its colors to whatever you would require. And even if the color does not change for itself, what you're going to be basically doing from here is to make sure that all the curves are fitted and the image tracing has been properly done. You're simply going to wait for it. And now what you can do from here on out is basically change its colors to actually see it has worked. So to change the colors, you can either come over to recolor with the preset, or what you can moreover do is come over to object. Also make sure to rasterize your layer before doing any of this, because without rasterizing, it might cause issues in your design. But yeah, after this is done, you're going to see that it's going to easily trace your image. And once your image has been traced, you can simply go ahead and delete the other untraced design and you're good to go. So basically that is how you are going to be going ahead and tracing an image in Adobe Illustrator in the simplest and easiest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.